Flying a drone for the first time can feel overwhelming and complicated, but what if I told you this drone can follow you and start recording with just a press of a button? This is the HoverAir X1 ProMax, the world's first self-flying 8K drone that allows users of all scale levels to capture cinematic aerial footage with ease. It's the perfect solution for solo content creators and filmmakers who want stunning shots without the hassle of manually controlling a drone. Today, we're checking out something that honestly feels like the future, the HoverAir X1 ProMax. This is a compact flying camera drone that can launch from your hand, follow you automatically, shoot up to 8K video, and fits in your pocket. So the real question is this just a cool gadget or is it actually worth buying? Well, let's find out. The HoverAir X1 ProMax is one of the most unique camera products I've tested. It's not a traditional drone where you need a controller, calibration, and a lot of setup time. This thing is designed for speed and convenience. So you just unfold it, press a button, place it on your palm, and it takes off in seconds. That alone makes it super appealing for content creators, travelers, cyclists, hikers, or anyone who wants quick cinematic shots without the hassle. Now let's talk about the design. It has a fully enclosed propeller cage, which makes it much more safer than a normal drone, especially when launching from your hand or using it around people. The drone uses a highly flexible material, which helps it absorb impacts, so in the event of a crash, it's more likely to survive. It does have rear collision detection sensors that can detect obstacles behind it, but I do wish it had a full 360-degree detection for a more precise obstacle avoidance. If we take a look at the drone, you have a power button which also acts as a start recording button, and then you have the forward and backward button to cycle between your different flight modes, and everything can be monitored on the LCD display, which shows all your flying modes, battery life, and other useful information without needing to pair the drone to your phone. Also, if you prefer to control the drone manually, HoverAir offers a bundle version that includes the beacon and also the joystick accessory, which lets you mount your phone to the remote so you can control it like a normal traditional drone. My favorite thing that I really like about this drone is that it's super compact and lightweight at under 200 grams, which is great because in many places that means fewer regulations compared to larger drones. It also folds down nicely, so portability is a huge win here. This is the type of drone that you can easily take with you anywhere to instantly capture your important moments. But where this drone really starts to stand out is the ease of use. HoverAir built this drone for people who don't want to learn complicated drone controls. It comes with a multi-automatic flying modes like a follow mode, orbit, zoom out, bird's eye view, dolly track, and many more. Basically, you pick a mode, press start, and the drone handles the rest for you. If you're filming solo content, workouts, biking clips, travel videos, or just social media content, that convenience is definitely hard to beat. And honestly, this is where I think the HoverAir X1 ProMax shines the most. Traditional drones can absolutely get better cinematic shots in some cases, but they also take much more time, more skills, and more effort. This feels like a flying camera assistant. Pull it out, launch it, get the shot, and move on. And overall, as you can see from these shots, I was riding my bike and let the drone follow me. You can really see how accurate the tracking is. It has a maximum flying speed of up to 26 miles per hour, which allows it to keep up with quick movements like this. For me, this drone has been a huge game changer because I often film e-bikes videos by myself, and having this type of drone that can follow me and capture stunning results is seriously impressive. Now let's get into the camera quality, because that's also what the ProMax name is all about. This model can shoot up to 8K video at 30 frames per second, plus 4K options including higher frame rates. It also has a larger 1/1.3 inch sensor compared to the regular Pro model, which helps it with image quality, detailed, and overall performance. In good lighting, footage can look very sharp, clean, and surprisingly impressive for something this small. As you can see from the sample shots, the 8K footage looks incredibly clean with great contrast and saturation, and the colors really pop. The drone comes with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, but if you plan on filming 8K, you would definitely want an SD card that can handle those larger file sizes. You also have the ability to shoot in 10-bit H-log for much higher dynamic range and to be able to color grade your footage in post, which makes a lot of sense for anyone who wants to achieve a certain look in their videos. For social media creators especially, this thing makes a lot of sense. You can get dynamic movement shots that would normally require another person filming you, such as walking shots, running shots, bike shots, reveal shots. That's a huge advantage here. Now, I do want to keep it honest and mention the downsides too. First, let's talk about the battery life. It is rated for around 16 minutes of flight time, which is decent for something this small, but realistically, if you are planning on filming a lot, you'll probably want extra batteries. One battery can go quickly when you are testing multiple flying modes or recording several takes. And overall, the battery life on this drone is not the best compared to other drones, so I would definitely recommend to invest in several batteries. While the stabilization is solid, thanks to the 2-axis gimbal plus electronic stabilization, it's still not going to replace a larger premium drone with a full 3-axis gimbal. But overall, the stabilization is still very solid and smooth, and you can definitely achieve some buttery smooth cinematic shots. Now, let's talk about the real world use. If you are a content creator, vlogger, cyclist, hiker, traveler, fitness creator, or just anyone who often films alone, this product makes a ton of sense. You can create shots in seconds that would normally require another person filming you or much more gear. And if you are a beginner, this may honestly be one of the easiest way to get into drone style footage because it removes a lot of intimidation that comes with flying other drones. So is it worth it? My honest opinion, yes. If you want easiest, fastest, most convenient way to get cinematic follow shots and hands-free aerial content, the HoverAir X1 ProMax is genuinely impressive. It's fun, practical, portable, and way more useful than it first looks. Overall, I think this is a great drone. If you want to check one out, click the link down below in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.